That is secure, the hose will be released. Operate the boat, point the engine in the direction you want to go. To move the boat, press the start button, moving on the right-hand side. Slow down, release the start button. To activate the water blaster, press the squirt button located on the left-hand side. Keep your hand and feet inside the boat at all times. If you wish for assistance at any time during the ride, simply raise your hand and someone will
Yeah.
assist. Enter the route slowly and cautiously when instructed by the ride attendant to do so. Remain seated until your boat has been secured to the dock.
Kaya mo?
Enjoy your ride.
Junyan, kaya mo magsolo? Kaya mo ha? Yan! Yan! Dapat doon ka na lang kay Papa? Ayaw mo sumama kay Papa? Baka naman umikot-ikot ka lang ha. Ber! Ini siya din sa. Yan! Dalawa! Yan. Yan, dalawa! Yan, liko-liko lang, yan. Yan. Oh no! Eh, pero liliko-liko mo, yan. Oh no! Yun na lang, yun. Ate Rizal pa. Ate Rizal! It's Ate Rizal. Oh, look, water. Splash, splash, splash.